Tonight you are at the Literacy Council of Northern Virginia's annual recognition ceremony, and it is a night for us to take a little bit of time to celebrate our students, our volunteers, our sponsors, our donors, and our community partners, and celebrate all that we've accomplished this year together. The Literacy Council of Northern Virginia's mission is to teach the basics of reading, writing, understanding, and speaking English to adults so that they can more effectively participate in their communities.
I faced many struggles, such as speaking the English language. I was very shy.
The adults that the Literacy Council serves are typically adults whose English is at the 6th grade level or below. In many instances, they go to other adult education programs with the school districts or in the community colleges, and they are told that they need to come back to us first, take our English classes, and upon graduation from our English classes, we are able to then refer them back to those programs. The Literacy Council is proud to be able to serve many, many locations throughout Fairfax County, from Centerville and Chantilly to Herndon to Falls Church and Alexandria. We know that a large percentage of families in Fairfax County are coming from backgrounds where English is not their first language. And as such, you have adults and then also children for whom English is a second language. By teaching adults English, we teach them to be able to access more employment opportunities. We also teach them to be bigger advocates for their children in their schooling, and we teach them to be more civically engaged in this community.